Ever wondered how to tame the Python and make it work for you? Well, today is your lucky day. Welcome to the ultimate Python roadmap that will guide your journey from novice to master. The first step, of course, is to get a firm grip on the basics of Python. This means getting comfortable with variables, data types, loops, and conditional statements. The internet is brimming with resources, offering everything from online tutorials to interactive coding platforms like Codecademy and FreeCodeCamp. Once the basics are under your belt, it's time to dive deeper into functions and modules. This phase is all about learning to write reusable code and organizing your programs effectively. It's a good idea to practice building small projects to solidify your understanding. Next, it's time to get acquainted with object-oriented programming, or OOP. This involves understanding classes, objects, inheritance, and polymorphism. OOP is a powerful tool in Python, so it's crucial to grasp it well. As your skills advance, start exploring popular libraries and frameworks like NumPy, Pandas, Flask, and Django. These tools will help streamline your workflow and enable you to build more complex applications. And of course, it's important to learn version control with Git. This skill will not only make you a better developer, but also enhance your ability to collaborate with others. Now, if you're ready to take your Python skills to the next level, it's time to delve into some advanced topics. Data structures and algorithms should be your first stop. This involves understanding concepts like linked lists, stacks, queues, sorting algorithms, and searching algorithms. Mastering these will make you a more efficient problem solver. Next, explore concurrency and parallelism in Python. This includes learning about threading, multiprocessing, and asynchronous programming with libraries like Asyncio. These skills are crucial for building scalable and responsive applications. Then, get hands-on experience with web scraping and automation. Python offers powerful libraries like Beautiful Soup and Selenium for scraping data from websites and automating repetitive tasks. If you're interested in machine learning and data science, Python has got you covered. Dive into libraries like scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch to build predictive models and analyze large data sets. Finally, learn about deployment and DevOps practices. Understand how to package and distribute your Python applications, set up continuous integration and deployment pipelines, and manage infrastructure with tools like Docker and Kubernetes. And there you have it, a comprehensive roadmap that will guide your Python journey from beginner to expert. Remember, practice makes perfect. So start coding and watch your Python skills soar.